We're going to do a brazing demo today. Please read the disclaimer. This is a free trial version if you like. I've left out some key info due to liability here, but suffice to say it's not like soldering plumbing joints in your house. It's a lot harder and a lot more dangerous. So let's get at it. Here is the damage we're trying to correct. It's a damaged ferrule. You can see the other one here in the background in good condition. I've yarded out this leg here so that we can get at it. First step, extract the ferrule. Now to make a successful joint, you need heat, the materials to be joined, a flux cleaner, and a filler metal. In this case, they all have different densities and melting points, so flame management is key here. The flux and filler metal are food safe, and this is crucial. There's the finished product. Maybe a little bit too much filler metal, but there's a good radius all the way around, so that is a sound repair.